School bus. School bus. Let's go pick up the kids. Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Please choose a seat for... Fasten your seatbelt. Thanks. The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go. Talk to me. Unable to download. Please ask Dad or Mom for help. Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Welcome! You can get a gift when you finish shopping. Next, let's go buy what we need together. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. Put the items here. Put the money into the coin slot. I bought everything I want. Thank you. I've bought everything I need. Let's get on the bus. Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Where should I... Fasten your seatbelt. Thanks. The next stop is the photo studio. Let's go. The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle. Let's go take a photo. Welcome. Could you take a picture of me, please? Okay. What kind of photo do you want? Photo for kindergarten admission. All right. Let's go change clothes first. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame. What a nice picture. Thanks. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame. That's a nice shot. Thanks. I've taken the photo. Let's go. Swipe up to collect coins in the air. Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
Unable to download. Please ask Dad or Mom for help.
This is kindergarten.